As it stands right now, our design system works in a self-serve capacity. This means we can access run mode and use our variables manually, i.e., we can click a different lifestyle image, type a different headline, change the QR code link manually, etc. Although this works great for a variety of different use cases, we have to scale in production. If we were to create variations manually, it would take forever. So to produce hundreds of assets in minutes, we're going to use a data source, like this Google Sheet for instance. It contains information about the type of assets we want to create. Anything from the type of layout to the service advertised, image, headline, CTA, QR code link, and disclaimer. To be able to use a data source, we've got to set this up first. It's only going to be a few simple steps. So here's the plan. We're going to add the Google Sheets connector into the GraFx. Then we'll create output settings and a user interface before going back to GraFx Studio and adding a couple of variables. Then we'll create a data source in Google Sheets and connect it to GraFx Studio. Last but not least, we'll scale our production of assets for the services campaign. All right, let's get to it.